In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games and libraries. If you're running low on space on one drive, or you just want to organize your game installations a little better, Steam makes it pretty easy to move games from one library location to another. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded before continuing, since you'll need to access the settings menu inside the client. Once Steam is open, go to the top left area of the window and click Steam. This opens the main application menu where you can access account and app settings. From there, click Settings. This is where Steam lets you manage things like downloads, storage, and library locations. If you've never changed your storage setup before, don't worry. Everything you need is grouped together in one place. Inside Settings, click Storage. This section shows you where your Steam games are currently installed and how much space is being used on each drive. It's the main area you'll use both for adding a new library location and for moving installed games. Now, look for the Drive drop-down menu below the Storage section. From here, you can add another drive or choose a different storage location for your Steam library. This is especially useful if you've installed a new SSD or hard drive and want future games, or existing ones, to live there instead. If the drive you want to use is already listed, you can simply select it. If not, add it through this menu so Steam recognizes it as a valid library location. After that, find the game you want to move and check the box next to it. Be careful to select the correct title, especially if you have a large library. This selection tells Steam which installed game should be transferred to the new location. Once the game is selected, click Move. Steam will then begin transferring the game files from the current library to the destination drive you chose. The time this takes depends on the size of the game and the speed of your drives, so larger games may take a bit longer. While the move is in progress, it's a good idea to let Steam finish without interruption. When it's done, the game will remain in your library as usual, but the files will now be stored in the new location. And that's it. That's how to move Steam games and libraries quickly and safely using Steam's built-in storage tool.